This video will show the installation of a DoorWorks hinged door enclosure for the Club Car Onward 2-passenger. Your kit will contain 2 front side panels, 2 door panels, 2 crossbar covers, 1 back panel, 2 above door weather strips, 1 rear weather strip, 1 driver side header bar, 1 passenger side header bar, 2 front door posts, 2 rear door posts, 2 door frames, 2 front post clips, 2 large L brackets, 2 door latches, 4 plastic spacers, 1 52-inch adhesive Velcro, 2 standout latches, as well as the hardware needed to attach it. Step 1. Remove the front windshield. Step 2. Remove the nuts from the front roof support and the handle. Remove the nut from position 1A on the front roof support. And from position 1B on the handle. Do this on both sides of your cart. Step 3. Attach side header bars. Slide tab 1A and 1B on the header bar onto the bolts and secure. Step 4. Secure rear of headers. Secure the rear of the header bars by sliding the key stock of the driver side header into the passenger side header. Step 5. Install front post clip. Remove the factory bolt on the floor near the front of cart on both sides. The front post clips are unique to each side of the cart. Slip the front post clip under the molding and secure by reinstalling the factory bolt. Note: a screwdriver will help pry up the floor molding to slide the clip into place. Step 6. Install large L bracket. Underneath the cart, there is a flat aluminum bar that runs across the cart from side to side. There are 2 bolts secured with nuts on each side of this bar. Remove the nuts with a 13mm wrench. Position the large L bracket like this, with the slot pointing towards front of cart, and the connector tab pointed up. Slide the slot in the large L bracket over the bolts and reattach the nuts. Centering the slot over the bolts is a good starting place. Gently tighten the nuts, as you may need to move the bracket when making adjustments to the frame. Step 7. Attach the top of the front door posts. Using a 1032 1 1/4 inch hex bolt, washer and nut. Attach the top of the front door post with the F tab facing towards the front of cart. Hand tighten so adjustments can be made later. Step 8. Attach the bottom of the front door post. Using a 1032 1 1/4 inch hex bolt, washer on both sides, and nylock nut, attach the bottom of the front door post to the front post clip. Step 9. Attach the top of the rear door post. Using a 1032 1 1/4 inch hex bolt, washer, and nut, attach the top of the rear door post. Hand tighten so adjustments can be made later. Step 10. Attach the bottom of the rear door post. Using a 1032 1 1/4 inch hex bolt, washer, and nylock nut, attach the bottom of the rear door post to the connector of the large L bracket. Step 11. Final frame adjustment. Adjust the door frame and posts to ensure the top of the door frame is flush with the header, and it can open and close with ease. In conjunction with the top of the door and header bar being flush, you also want to achieve around a 1/4 inch gap between the door posts and door frames when in the closed position. Step 12. Install front side panel. Wrap the side panel around the front roof support and secure the hook and loop Velcro. Then wrap the side panel fabric around the front door post and attach the hook and loop Velcro. Finally, attach the adhesive Velcro to the lower body of the cart. Clean the area first with rubbing alcohol for the best adhesive attachment. Step 13. Install door panels. Place the pocket on the top of the fabric over the top corners of the door frame. Wrap the edge flaps of the cover panel around the door frame. Locate the fabric strips for the door crossbars, wrap around the bar, and seal the Velcro. Step 14. Remove the back seat cushion. Remove the back seat cushion by removing the 2 bolts at the back of the seat. Step 15. Install back cover panel. Position the back panel on the inside of the rear roof supports. Wrap the top edge flap over the header bar and secure the Velcro. Wrap the side edge flaps around the rear door posts and secure Velcro. Replace the seat back cushion and secure with the bolts. Step 16. Attach door latch. Find the pre-drilled hole on the front of the door frame and position the door latch around it. The open end will face the front of the cart. Secure using a 1032 1.5-inch bolt, 2 plastic spacers, and a nylock nut. Repeat on the opposite side. Step 17. Install rear fabric weather stripping. Center the weather stripping along the back and attach with the Velcro. Tuck the edges up under the handles. Step 18. Install above door weather stripping. Wrap the weather stripping over the door's header bar. The notch will fit over the front door post. Secure the Velcro and tuck the weather stripping up under the roof. Step 19. Install standout latch. Attach the standout latches to the header bar tabs on both sides using the 1032 3/4-inch bolts and nylock nuts. Step 20. Tighten everything. Tighten down all the installed bolts and replace the windshield. Now you're ready to enjoy your new DoorWorks hinged door enclosure.